So ayun dito sa QD Talks, tatanungin kita kung sino ang napupusuan mo na manalo sa PBB. BBS kasi yun, BBS Yang, BBS Sky, BBS Jared.
I don't watch PBB. I don't have free TV.
You watch Pornable.
No, the last episode that I watched is sa Disney Plus. How I Met Your Mother. Do you know that?
Yeah!
You're so bango. Guys, contrary to what you
Para kung
to
tita
what
mo.
To what you
Ayan,
all think.
nag-graduate na yung
Cutie
inaanak ko.
person is very makinis and
Yes.
she's very mabango. And she looks like Lalisa Manoban.
Sino yun na naman?
Lalisa! Lalisa, Lisa, love me. Go, woo! Nachana attitude. Inside of the room. Magano mo na ba? O, diba ganun ka? So,
Nakakaloka ka, Beyo.
wait, that's what you do. Can you teach me? Like,
Teach me how to doggy. Teach me.
yung,
Magsimula na talaga tayo.
yung kiniminimpula. Ganon.
Kinimpilihi sa vida mo. It is accent from
yun.
British. Na-adopt siya ng Pilipino noong 1674. Then yung kinimpilihi sa vera ho is from my mom, neglected when I needed most, entrusted to
Saan ba yun? Yung neglect
It is from Brazil. Yeah. Originated from California.
She a yapper or what as a...
Yeah. Tama na to. Magbabay ka na.
Can you tag me?
Yeah. Sobrang OA.